Welcome back to Turbo Rider, the channel where we bring you the latest in two-wheeled thrills. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cruiser releases of the year, the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber. With a legacy rooted in American muscle and a look that screams rebellion, this new Scout Bobber isn't just a bike. It's a statement. Refined power and performance. Underneath that aggressive styling, the 2025 Scout Bobber still houses the iconic liquid-cooled 1,133 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering a solid 100 horsepower and 72 lb-ft of torque. But Indian has fine-tuned its performance for 2025. Throttle response is crisper, and a revised gear ratio provides smoother acceleration, especially in the low and mid-ranges. Whether you're blasting down the highway or carving through city streets, the new Bobber delivers punchy power with more control. Updated design. The Scout Bobber has always had a raw, stripped-down aesthetic, and Indian doubles down on that formula for 2025. This year's model features darker finishes, a lower-profile LED headlight, and a redesigned rear fender that tightens up the stance. The bike sits lower and meaner, giving it a more compact and aggressive silhouette. New color options like Stealth Titanium and Raven Smoke make sure you stand out without trying too hard. Technology meets tradition. Don't let the old school look fool you. The 2025 Scout Bobber introduces modern tech upgrades that keep it competitive. A new 4-inch TFT display replaces the analog cluster, offering Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride modes for the first time ever. Choose between standard, sport, and rain to match your mood or the road conditions. Ride and comfort. Indian has refined the suspension for a smoother, more planted ride, especially on rougher roads. While the seat height remains low for that classic Bobber feel, the ergonomics have been slightly revised to reduce fatigue on longer rides. It still caters to solo riders with that signature single seat, but optional upgrades let you tailor the comfort level to your needs. Final thoughts. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber doesn't reinvent the wheel, it just makes it sharper, faster, and more refined. For riders who want classic cruiser looks with modern-day performance and features, this bike hits the mark. Indian Motorcycle has taken a solid foundation and evolved it just enough to stay ahead in the ever-competitive mid-cruiser segment. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber. Let us know in the comments, would you ride this beast, or are you waiting for something else in the cruiser world? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and riding tips only on Turbo Rider.